Yeah guys, today I'm going to show you this absolutely awesome, super flexible, easy rolling teacher's tote bag. I got it from the seller to show you all the really nice details, but it's still my honest opinion and you will see everything in detail anyway. So here again we go, absolutely awesome how we can roll this, but it's not only rollable, rotatable, we can also easily retract and then carry it by hand easily, or use the super convenient shoulder strap here, which is also really great. That helps definitely a lot. But not only the carry options are super flexible, but also the pockets with some side pockets on both of the sides, and especially here also in the front. This is absolutely amazing what we have here. Watch how flexible this is with all these dividers, and the size even fits for a full size 15-inch laptop here just outside. But of course you could also store it inside very easily, because the inside is also absolutely amazing and super easy to open close with just this zipper here. And inside we have even this extra cooling bag, for example for cool drinks or your lunch, and it's even a really beautiful one. And watch all these pockets here which we have here inside, absolutely amazing. So for example also here for larger laptops with this strap here to secure, and at the bottom we have this cushioned reinforcement, so we can just push this down, which is of course part of the assembly. Yeah, assembly was also super easy with just snapping the 5 wheels to the bottom plate and then adding the main container, securing it with the straps here in the back and also with the clips on the sides, adding the shoulder strap, and so everything was really fully ready in 5 minutes, and so convenient. And I can really feel the awesome quality, pretty much everything cushioned. There are even here some pockets, and also the wheel quality absolutely amazing with these 5 double wheels, which are not only working here perfectly inside but also outside on heavier terrain. Yeah, for me this is as good as it gets. Super flexible, not only as a teacher's bag but also for travel. Could be the almost perfect solution. Definitely a positive surprise regarding quality, flexibility, and also how beautiful this is. Yeah, definitely really nothing to complain. Maybe I wished the zippers would be a little bit larger. They are a little bit bent here, but I think it's just from the transport, and now already much better than the first time. Yeah, absolutely love it. And so if you also like it, you can find the link down in the description of the video, so you can check it out and maybe order one for you if you like. Could also be a nice gift. And so I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this teacher tote bag, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.